everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Salesperson. So I hope you are good, and today I'm going to show you how to upgrade workflow rule into the Lightning Flow Builder in Salesforce and Spring 22. So please watch this video until end, and let's get started without any further delay. So here you can see Salesforce announce at Dreamforce that workflow rules and process builder will be deprecated. It means the flow will be the future of the automation tool. Please keep in your mind. And if you have not started learning flow, so now is the right time to start learning, right? According to the announcement, there will be a new migration tool that will help admins to convert existing workflow rule to and process builder into the flows. Okay, so there is a roadmap for these changes. So migrate workflow rules to the flows is Spring 22, migrate process builder to flow summer 22, and disable the option to create new workflow rule and process builder in winter 23. So this is some roadmap of the workflow rule, process builder and flows in summer, spring and winter as well, right? So it's time to do some demo. So how to migrate this workflow rule into the Lightning Flow Builder. Okay, so let's get started now. So if you don't know about the Spring 22 release, so please go ahead this link, and I will post this link under the description section, so you can go ahead and click on that links and you can create your free Spring 22 pre-release account, right? So I already created this Spring 22 pre-release org. So here you can see this is my pre-release org, right? So how to create the workflow rule, so you know very well, just click in under the quick find like workflow rule. Okay, once you search this workflow rule, here you can see workflow rule, just click this one. And my intention is, first of all, I will create workflow rules and I want to migrate this workflow rule into the flow builder. And how to do that, so please see here. So click this new rule, and it's asking me two options, that is called continue with the workflow rule or create new flow builder. So which one you want? So first of all, let me click this first option, that is called continue with workflow rules. Click this one, and once you click this, so it's asking which object you want to select here. So I want to take like account here. Just click on the next button, and again you have to write like account workflow rule like that, WFR, right? And the evaluation criteria is created, and the rule criteria is account name does not or not equal to empty or null. Just click on the save and next, and after that you have to add your action like immediate action. So let me create like immediate action, that is called new field update here, and click the name like field update, right? And field, which field you want, right? Rating. So I want to take rating here. So here you can see rating is a pick list, and I want to set this pick list value as called if anyone or any record is created under the Salesforce under this object, that is called account. Okay, just click on the save, and it's a unique name, so let me add like 2 here and save it. And after that you can see my workflow rule is saved now, right? And after that you have to do like done, and again you have to activate this workflow, otherwise you cannot take this action in your way. So just click on the activate, and now you can see my workflow rule is activated now, right? So how to test it, so just click on this app launcher and search the account, and once you search the account, you have to create new account record under this object, that is called account, right? And you can see here new logo Spring 22 at the time of loading. Let me reload this page and you can see the logo, right? So here you can see this is the Spring 22 new logo. And create new account record, just click new, and name anything as you want, like David, or any as you want, like Sumit, right? And save it. Once you save this record, so it's automatic update the field that is called rating, rating as a call. So let me click this detail tab and you can see my rating as a code. So this is the workflow rule, right? So how to migrate this workflow rule into the flow builder? Same thing you can do with the help of flow builder. So how to do that? So just go ahead here in quick find. Under the quick find, you have to search that is called migrate. Okay, so search like migrate to flow beta. So this is the automation process. So just click this migrate to flow, and it's showing me my workflow rule, that is called workflow rule name here, account workflow. I just created now, you can see here, right? So how to migrate this one? So just click this radio button and you can see one button that is called here migrate to flow, right? So just click this migrate to flow and migration in progress, and you can see like your flow was successfully created. And just switch the activation. Here you can see our workflow rule is deactivated and now flow is activated, right? So how to check this workflow rule is working or not? Just click this view in flow builder. And once you click this flow builder, you can see my flow builder is created now as we expect, right? Here you can see, and it's always activate here, because of at the time of flow builder progress you can see this one, right? So how to test it? So first of all, let me show you workflow rule is activate or deactivate automatically or not. Okay, so workflow rule, search this workflow rule and click this one, and it's a automatic deactivate. You can see like activate, or also you can click this workflow rule here and it's a deactivate right now, because of our flow is created same thing from the workflow. That's why it's a deactivate here, right? So how to check the workflow builder? So just search here like flow and click this flows, and after that you can see my flow that is called account WFR. So just click this one and you can see my flow builder as we expect with the help of workflow rule, right? So you can see here you can edit this like account, a record is created. Also you can see like name does not equal null value, it's a field update, and click on the done, and here you can see the action. You can copy the element, delete the element, edit the element, and you can see the field update rating equal to called here, you can see, right? So these all things we can also done by a workflow rule. And now you can see this is the new things and new feature under the Spring 22. That's why I'm showing this one. So our flow builder is ready, so it's time to check this flow is working or not. Okay, so again you have to create new account record under the account object. So just click this new button. Okay, so click on the new button, and it's asking some information about the account, like account name does not or should not or must be empty, not empty, right? So how to check this? So first of all, like flow, so let me enter this one and just save it. And once you save this, so it's a automatic update the rating field. So how to check this? So just click this details, and you can see like rating called here, right? So same thing you can do with the help of workflow rule, but in upcoming years, so workflow and process builder will be deprecated. Okay, so that's why flow is the future. So please focus on the flow, and you can see this output same here, that is called rating is called. So guys, I hope you learned something new in this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel Salesforce for more updates like this, and Spring 22 release notes and all the things in upcoming videos you can see. And please stay tuned in this video as well my YouTube channel, and please subscribe, like, share, comments. So till then, bye bye, take care, bye bye.